We're going to jump right into this video. I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sensational Synthetic Hair Lace Front Wig Cloud 9 What Lace Swiss Lace 13x6, and the wig is Celeste, No, it's called Celeste, all right? And I got it in the color MP Hazel. I was a little caught off guard with the color because I wasn't expecting it to be this bright. I thought I ordered it in 1B, but no. All right, so just showing you guys what the lace is looking like. It comes with an adjustable strap and a comb in the back so you can detach, but I'm not going to use the combs today. I'm going to lay it down with my Got2b glue. Now, before I lay anything down or cut the lace, I like to try on the unit just to see what I'm working with. And as you can see, the lace is very, very light, but you do get options as to where you want to part your hair. And I do like the parting space, and I'm just kind of like, whoa, okay. The color just caught me off guard, y'all. So yeah, the lace was way too light. So I went in with my foundation in the color Clove in Clinique, and also my foundation brush, and just tinted the lace so that it could match my scalp a little better. No one needs to see, you know what I'm saying? Make sure your lace matches your scalp. I'm gonna go in with my Got2b Blasting Freeze spray and just spray that around the hairline where I want to lay the hair. All right, just to melt the lace, if that makes sense. Yeah. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna apply this spray around the hairline and make sure to get all those areas so that it can stick. Then I'm going to go in with a blow dryer. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but after I apply my Got2b glue free spray, I like to go in with the blow dryer just to make sure that it's dry and that it stays put. I found that this method is better to do before you cut the lace. So that's what I've been doing with all of my new units in wigs. Next, I'm going to go in with scissors. Take your time in this step, y'all. I sped this up because I didn't want this video to be too long, but it takes me a minute to cut the lace because I don't want it to cut too far into the hairline and the hair ends up shedding more. So be extra, extra careful with this step. So I just cut the lace off. I'm pretty pleased with the way it's looking so far. The foundation really did help, you know, to blend the hairline for me. All right, now I'm just going to create little bitty bits of baby hairs. I'm not going to go overboard with this unit because I don't feel like it needs that much, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to cut this, customize, and create little baby hairs just to make it look a little bit more natural and also to help conceal that lace. I'm going to go in with my Got2b glue gel for this. And just gel, you know, little baby hairs down. I just want to make it as natural looking as possible. Like I said, this helps also to conceal the lace. This step is optional. You do not have to do the baby hairs and the extra, okay? And then after I do that, I'm going to tie it down for about 10 minutes and complete my makeup, finish my makeup off so that I can come back and finish my hair. Okay, about 10 minutes later, my face is beat. Automatically, I was like, oh God, this hair sheds a lot. I'm trying to not detangle, but you know, just run a wide tooth comb or even a paddle brush if you have throughout the hair. And then I saw like, yo, this sheds a lot and it tangles a lot. Come on, look at that, y'all. It was a lot of hair, but thank God this hair is not thin. You get a lot of hair. I feel like, yeah, the density of this is really good. So yeah, it won't be balding anytime soon. But yeah, so I took off that scarf. Well, what do you call those tissue things that you buy at the beauty supply store? Yeah, I took that off, and this is what the front is looking like. I am very pleased with the way the front is looking like. Look at that. What lace? You can't see. You can't see the lace, y'all. I melted it, literally. Gonna go in with my bronzing powder just to conceal the hair even more, the lace even more. You can never be too sure, okay? I just like to double check and make sure that the lace is concealed. I don't like when people can see it and when it's not blended. All right, so I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys how long it is. I am 5'9½", and this comes underneath my boob. And as you can see, look how it's tangly, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with some oil just to tame the flyaways and to lay the flyaways down. There was a lot of flyaways, so yeah. But overall, this hair is bomb. I was like, ooh wee. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I was feeling myself. So here are my final thoughts on this unit. Oh my God, I really like it. I do. I like the way it looks, and the color kind of grew on me because I don't know if you noticed, but when I first took this out the packet, it shocked me a little bit because I didn't expect it to be so bright. And I did get it in the color Money Peace Hazel. I forgot that I got it in this color. I don't know why I thought I got it in the color 1B, but when I pulled it out, I'm like, whoa, it just kind of like shocked me. But yeah, the color kind of grew on me, right? As I'm installing it, it grew on me. And I think the color is perfect for the summertime. I do like the way it looks against my skin tone. The lace is just bomb. That's what I like the most about this unit. The simple fact that you get so much parting space. You can part it in the center, you can part it right here. It's a 13x6, so you have a lot of room to be creative and do what you want. You could even do a half up, half down with this unit, but you know, I love my side part, so that's what I did today. And as you can see, the lace was just way too light for me, especially because I got a tan from vacation, so the lace was just way too light. Even if I didn't get a tan, I wouldn't have been able to wear this hair with the lace looking the way it was looking. So I did go in with my foundation, as you saw, and that seemed to really work with this lace. And I went on top of that with a powder just to make sure around here, you know, the lace was concealed. Overall, this lace is bomb. Here's what I don't like the hair. Unfortunately, it sheds a lot and it tangles back here. Like, I don't know if you saw when I was trying to like run a comb through it. You know, these are curls, so you don't want to disturb the curls too much, but a lot of hair was just coming out as I combed it, and I saw like back here it tangles a lot, which is to be expected with synthetic. All right, synthetic hair and curly units like this, you know, you will experience some tangles and shedding, but this unit sheds a lot more than what I'm used to with synthetic units. So that's what, you know, is a con with this hair. If shedding is a pet peeve for you, see, look, let me stop running my, okay, first off, don't run your hands through this unit too much because it will shed. All right, so if you know you're gonna be around a lot of people, group of people, and you decide to wear this unit, take your hands, it's a habit of mine, take your hands out of your hair. Do not embarrass yourself in public and your hairs are everywhere. No one wants to do that. That's not cute. All right, so keep your hands out of your hair. Like I was saying, if you're a person that do not like your units to shed a lot, if that bothers you, if that's a pet peeve of yours, this unit is not for you. Now, I don't plan to wear this unit every day. I do plan to wear it maybe a couple of days this week just to test it out and see you know, the life of this. I am rocking units for my protective styling, and I do have other wigs to review and try on, so I won't be wearing this every day, so it won't bother me, the shedding and the tangles, as much as someone who wears or plans to wear this every day for a couple of weeks. All right, so just keep that in mind. And I found that it was easy to lay this down, to lay the lace down with my Got2b glue, so I didn't have too much trouble with that. Overall, oh, and this is super big head friendly, y'all. Like, it's fitted really, really nicely on my head. So if you have a smaller head, you know, you might have to cut some more lace or adjust the bands in the back to make it a little tighter, but this is perfect for me, my big head. And I have a dome. If you guys don't know, now you know. So yeah, I am on my way out to dinner, and like I said, I will not be touching my hair. I'll try to remember not to touch my hair too much so that my hair don't be flying all in people's foods. That's just like whack, okay? If they could just improve that about this unit, the shedding and the tangles, I think this will be a 10. Like, out of 10, I would give it right now 8 and a half. I say 8 because of the shedding, and you know, I had to put some, I don't know if that was the smartest thing to do. I usually go in with like a moisturizer just to tame the flyaways, but I couldn't find my moisturizer. It's way too hot to be running around looking for things, so I use a Diva Curl High Shine Benefit Oil. You know, you shouldn't really use oil with synthetic hair because I feel like it makes it look shiny and plasticky, but it didn't do that with this unit. And this is not like a silky texture. It's like I want to say a light yaki texture, a yaki to light yaki texture, you know what I mean? So the oil didn't make it look too shiny or too silky. I don't like that plasticky look. But yeah, y'all, I like this. This is alright. Y'all did something with this one. Yeah, and I heard that Sensational has other wigs in this collection with the what lace type of, you know what I mean? They did that. Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. They did that. So, alright, synthetic hairs and more affordable wigs and units. Y'all better keep on keeping on and, you know, giving us more options out here. Alright, giving other hair companies a run for their money. Alright, I ain't mad at it. I am not mad at this. Alright, so let me know in the comment section whether you've tried this unit before, if you plan on using it, or if you've tried any units within this collection before, and what you think about this. Let me know what you think about the color. Like I said, it was a bit woo in the beginning, but I'm growing to like it. Yeah, and leave any comments or questions in the comment section. Thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit. I will leave the details in my description box if you're interested in this unit. All right, stay tuned. I'm still protective styling. I have a couple of more wigs and units that I want to show you guys. All right, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, including Snapchat and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Everything is down in my description box. You guys already know the drill. Last but not least, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.